I'm tutoring today for math. Okay, well, I'm Lily. What's your name? Oh, that's such a pretty name. Well, thanks for staying after school with me and letting me help you. I actually was in 4th grade a really long time ago. I'm actually a high school graduate now. But I offer my services to come help students like you who might be struggling a little bit more. So, do you have your math with you? Thank you. Okay, so it just looks like it's a lot of math problems. Looks like I have 10 problems to do. Okay, that's fine. Now, I'm right-handed, so. Okay. You ready? So first, we have 3,276 plus 1,842. So how would you set up a problem like this? So what I would do is I would write it out, plus, and then, right. I wrote it wrong, sorry. Don't do what I just did, I didn't line them up right. We all make mistakes. So, how would you add a problem like this? Would you just go down and add them up? Good. So 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 4, that's 11, so we carry over the 1. 8 plus 3 is 11, so we carry over the 1. And our answer is 5,118. Okay? So, I just knocked something over, so sorry. Okay, so the next problem is 23 times 6. So do you struggle with multiplication a lot? That's okay, so we're going to go like this. Okay, so what's 6 times 3? 18. 8 times 12, 6 times 12 plus 1. 6 times 2 plus 1. 138. Okay, see how I did that? Okay, so now we have division. Are you good with all division? No, that's okay. So this looks really scary because it's 12 and a big number. So we say, how many times can 12 go into 14? Once. Okay. So we do 12 minus 14, and then we get 24. How many times does 12 go into 24? Twice, right? Yeah, so we do 12 times 2, 24, get 0. Our answer is 12. These are really not too hard problems. Okay, so which number is greater, 6,502 or 6,250? Nope, it's not this one. So first, we look at the 6. Okay, so we know the 6 is equal. Is 5 greater than 2 or is 2 greater than 5? Good. 5 is greater than 2, so this number is bigger. Good job. Look, we're just flying through these. Okay. So here's our next problem. So what is half of 18? Yep, you can use your hands. It's not 7. You're close though. So do you know your multiples? Like 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so what number equals, but times itself equals 18? Times 2. No. Let's go through this, okay? 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 2 equals 10. 6 times 2 equals 12. 7 times 2 equals 14. 8 times 2 equals 16. And 9 times 2 equals 18. So what do you think is the answer to this one? Good, because 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Good job. Okay. So the area of a rectangle with a length of 9 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. So how do you do area of rectangle? You just multiply these together, right? So 9 times 4 is 36. So we have some addition. So we have 4,398 plus 2,756. So it's just like we did before, just with some different numbers, okay? Don't be nervous. So what's 8 plus 6? 14. We carry the 1. 9 plus 6? 15. Carry the 1. 7 plus 4? 11. Carry the 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we get 7,154 as our answer. Yep, I'll let you look at that. Good. Okay, so we have 2 more problems left and then we're done, okay? So we have 34 times 7. Okay, so what is 7 times 4? Close. It's 28. So we carry the 2. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 2 is 23. So that's 238. It's not that difficult, is it? How many lines of symmetry does a square have? Okay, so a square has 4 lines, right? So it has 2 sets of symmetric lines, but it has 4 symmetry lines in total. Does that make sense? So 4. Okay, honey, let's see good. Looks like we're all done. How do you think that went? Good. I did too. Here's your homework, okay? I recommend that you do some cool math games. Do you know what cool math games is? I'll show you. Because you're really not that bad. You just need some assistance. So, let me do cool math games. Alright, let me show you what cool math is. So, it's this website online. And it has tons of math games depending kind of on what you're struggling on. So right now, I think you really struggle with division and multiplication. So what you can do is go and find a bunch of games. So there are some games that could help you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find you a game that I want you to play and work on. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, so here's all the games that require multiplication or division. So what I want you to play is I want you to play this lemonade stand. Doesn't this look like a fun game? Let's play around a bit together.
At Walter, every detail.
Sorry about that. Okay. How much do you want to play? How about we do 7 days? Okay. Oh. Okay, I guess I didn't do it right. So, I'm going to buy paper cups. I'll buy some ice, buy some sugar, and buy some lemons, okay? You have to do math to make sure that you don't run out. Look, nobody wants to buy our stuff. There we go, now people are buying our stuff. So technically, you have a bunch of money and you have to do math to make sure you won't run out of stuff, okay? And that's the game I'd like you to play before our next tutoring session, okay? Alrighty. It's fun working with you. Bye.